The S600X-W Power Amplifier offers versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth, aux, USB flash drive, and USB sound card inputs, making it compatible with a wide range of devices like mobile phones and televisions. Equipped with dual TPA3255 chips, this amplifier delivers impressive stereo sound with a maximum output of 600 watts for the subwoofer and 300 watts for each of the two channels. The included DIY panel design allows users to easily assemble a Bluetooth speaker system without the need for complex installations. Safety is a priority with the S600X-W, as it features multiple protection mechanisms, including short circuit, overcurrent, overheat, and anti-reverse protections. This amplifier is not only powerful, but also user-friendly, ensuring a seamless experience for both novice and experienced users. DAJUNGUO stands by their product with excellent after-sales service, ready to address any customer concerns or product issues.